Looking to figure out whether Freshservice or Intercom is the best help desk software for your business? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into both of these tools and give you the honest breakdown. Both are popular choices for handling customer service, but when it comes down to which one is truly the best, there's more to consider than just the features. Let's get into it. First up, Freshservice offers an all-in-one help desk solution that's easy to use and suitable for teams of all sizes. The interface is clean, and it includes ticketing, knowledge management, and incident management right out of the box. What's really appealing is its flexibility. It integrates with a wide range of third-party apps. However, the downside? While it has a lot of features, some of the advanced ones, like custom reports, are locked behind more expensive tiers. So, while it's great for small businesses, the pricing structure can get steep for larger companies. Next thing to consider is Intercom. Intercom is known for its strong focus on communication. Not only does it offer ticketing, but it also excels at live chat, automated responses, and proactive customer support. One thing that really stands out with Intercom is the ability to use bots for automation. It helps streamline repetitive tasks. However, Intercom's pricing can be a major drawback for smaller businesses, as it's more expensive compared to Freshservice, and the user interface isn't as intuitive as it could be for people who are new to the software. The third thing to compare is the overall customer experience. Freshservice, for the most part, provides a great experience for users, especially with its easy-to-navigate interface. But the issue with Freshservice is that it can be a bit too simplistic in some areas, especially for larger teams or businesses that need more complex workflows. It's solid, but not always powerful enough for advanced use cases. Intercom, on the other hand, has a more robust set of features, particularly for those who need multi-channel communication. But the real drawback is that it can feel overwhelming for some users due to the sheer number of features, and its support isn't always as responsive as expected. The fourth thing is reporting and analytics. Freshservice shines here with built-in reports and dashboards that are useful for tracking team performance and customer satisfaction. But again, many of these features are reserved for higher-tier plans. Intercom does offer reporting as well, but it's much more focused on real-time insights and customer interactions rather than deeper historical data analysis. Another factor to keep in mind is scalability. Freshservice is generally a good fit for small to medium-sized teams, but if you're planning to scale quickly or have a large customer support team, it may start to feel a bit limiting. Intercom, on the other hand, is highly scalable and works well for larger teams with its comprehensive set of features, but again, the price can really add up. At the end of the day, Freshservice and Intercom are both solid options in the help desk software market. Freshservice offers simplicity and ease of use for smaller teams with an affordable entry-level price, while Intercom excels in communication and automation, making it a stronger choice for larger teams or those who need multi-channel support. However, both can get expensive as you scale, and for many businesses, there's a better alternative that I've personally found works much better for handling customer support at scale. If you want a better solution than both Freshservice and Intercom for your help desk needs, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. You'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Give it a try, and I'm confident it'll make your decision easier.